Okay, basically doing the same thing. My voice hopefully has come back for class. Obviously it's gone still on Tuesday afternoon as I record this. Basically doing the same thing as we were doing on Monday. Fortunately, that means if I don't have a voice that I can still give feedback because I'm commenting on your Google Docs. So we're gonna be doing the same objective. I can demonstrate an understanding of different ecosystems by completing food chains, energy pyramids, and food webs for species in an ecosystem. You guys already know your ecosystems. I'll pull the lists back up period by period. I saved them on the sheet that we were writing them on. And so this, of course, is our intro. You're gonna complete your group ecosystems. I know several groups thought they were done, but I want you to take a look back. Make sure you're not just copy pasting it off the internet, putting in your own thoughts. If you're not sure how to put arrows, go ahead and Google it, figure out how to do it. Make sure you're doing a nice job making things look nice. You can put in individual pictures, but I don't want you to copy your whole food chain and your whole food web off the internet. And the last thing, I want to see that you guys are actually able to do this on your own. So you're going to be doing solo ecosystems. So that's going to be once your group has actually completed things. You're going to be doing it that way as well. So for those, we'll be getting pairs. I'll kind of shift things around, use the Kagan tools again, shifting you around and getting you specific ecosystems for each individual. And you'll do those on paper. So if you need papers, they're right over there in the pickup bin by the door. So I don't want anybody to say, oh, I don't have any paper. Of course, if you need pencils, they're right over there in the bin on my desk. And I just ask that you leave an ID when you take a pencil. It's kind of a self-serve type of system. One last reminder, still have this on the board. If you're trying to make an arrow, just a straight arrow, like for your food chain, dash, dash, greater than sign. That's gonna make a straight arrow like for your food chains. If you're trying to draw arrows for your food webs, you may need to get a little more creative. Go ahead and do that Google search. Obviously, you're fully aware that Mr. Niewayne presents the objective, if not more, of the lesson on YouTube. YouTube's a resource you're welcome to use in class. So it's Wednesday, we're on shortened periods. We do want to make sure that we're getting this done because tomorrow we want to move on. Doing a quick preview of what we're doing tomorrow. I'm going to be doing a rotation, a flip kind of half the class and half the class. So half of you will be working on one activity tomorrow, and then you'll be doing the second activity on Friday, and the other half of the class will be flipped. So half of us will be on computers solo tomorrow, 14 people for full classes, and half the people will be on paper. And then the other half, for the second day, you'll flip. If you're on a computer, you'll be on paper. If you're on paper, you'll be on a computer for Friday. So that's what we're looking at coming up for the next 2 days and what we're doing today. Here we go.